Hey, affiliate marketing for beginners day 3. My name is Scott Anderson. I'm here with Start Funnels. Today we're going to dive right into talking about YouTube and Facebook and linking them together. And guys, I also just wanted to thank you for subscribing. I have 200 subscribers now. It's all about you guys. I'm here to provide value and to serve you. So let's go ahead and dive into the good stuff. Okay guys, so here is day 3 video from Josh. Yes, he teaches about how to go from 0 to 10K in a month. And so he teaches you day by day, and we're on day 3, okay? So in this video, it's pretty simple. He pretty much goes over 3 things. One, talks about linking up your Facebook page, that link to your YouTube. So I'm gonna literally just go into that right now. So here is my page. It's facebook.com/startfunnel. So I'm going to copy and paste this, and I'm going to go over to my YouTube channel. I'm going to do customize channel, and I'm going to go to about, going to add links right here. Let's see how Josh does it over here. If I go back. Okay. All right, so this is how we're going to do that. We're going to go back here, connect with me on Facebook. Okay, so literally just save that. Okay, so that's done. Step number 1 is done. He kind of goes into adding more artwork for his YouTube channel and Facebook. So I have this. It's really generic. I think I'm going to change it to say, you know, affiliate marketing with sales funnels or something like that. I think I need to be more informative. So that's my plan, is to work on that, and I'll probably change up this YouTube art a little bit as well. But once again, I'm all for just getting things done. I think done is better than perfect. I'm getting views, subscribers, and so I think that if I get bogged down, and this is for you guys, if you get bogged down, I think you need to add like this cool, awesome graphic, and if you don't, then it's just not going to work, and then that hinders your progress. Okay, that to me is a huge weakness of mine, and it may be for you. And so I would just suggest to just get something out there and just start publishing content, because these little details can be changed later. So that's my little side thing there. So he goes into those things, changes up the YouTube art. Let's see, upload a picture to Facebook. So I already have that. I'll probably put my personal one there, but once again, it's what I have now. All right, guys, so step 3 is to post a post on your Facebook page. And this post needs to be authentic, telling your viewers, your new viewers, of what you're all about. And this should be really kind of explaining your why and what you're all about. So Josh goes really goes deep and explains how to write this copy, and I'll show you right now. You know, he gives some tips, and I've also seen a lot of other marketers do this, that when you, let's make this big, that when you make a post, you should really separate each sentence. Okay, you see what he's done here? Why? Because it helps the reader read. He'll keep reading because it doesn't seem as intimidating. Many marketers, good marketers, are doing that today, whether it's like paid ads or organic ads or whatever. So he kind of just goes into all this, and it's really good. I would highly suggest you to watch that video and read it, but don't like rewrite it exactly. Obviously, we just don't want to do that for Josh. Cannot be copywriting, but also it needs to be your authentic voice, right? And what is you? Like, why are you creating this YouTube channel and Facebook channel or Facebook page? Like, what is it? And so really, it's your why, you know. And you don't have to explain your why in this, because that's not what Josh does. He more or less just kind of goes into just being like, hey, you're struggling. What are your thoughts about like your current situation? Do you want to break through that and have a better life, something more fulfilling, something with more freedom? If so, I can help you. Is it something you're willing to work towards? If so, comment below or reach out to me, blah, blah, blah. That's kind of the structure. And for me, I'm kind of the guy that's like, I don't want to follow this word for word and look at it, because then it's even harder for me. So if I can kind of just understand that structure, then it's better. So that's what I did. And he uses this awesome website. It's called the Hemingway app. And I don't think that my copy here is amazing. But it did take me probably like a half hour to an hour to write out something here. You know, I put, are you tired of your 9-to-5 work lifestyle month after month, year after year? Do you have a dream for something better? A dream to build or create something that can provide you with more freedom and wealth. Freedom to spend more time doing the things you want. The freedom knowing that you have reliable monthly income. The freedom knowing that you don't have to trade hours for dollars. Is this something you want? Do you want this dream to be a reality? Some will tell you it's impossible or too hard. Some will discourage you and tell you to keep doing what you are doing. Some are forcing you to sign up for the next .com boom that is too good to be true. There are lots of distractions, positive or negative, and lots of varying opinions about how to live and how to make money. There are people you can trust and definitely people you can't trust. This can be discouraging. The good news is that there are good, hardworking people accomplishing their dreams. They are online using the internet to make it all happen. More and more people are unleashing the power of the internet and breaking through the 9-to-5. And I'm here to help people find that power, the power to earn online commissions from a laptop. Not all people believe this or work at it long enough to achieve it. So the question is, do you want to turn your dream into reality and escape to the 9-to-5? How bad do you want this? If you want it, you will find it and achieve it. If you have already found it, congratulations. But if you haven't and believe you deserve more, then you do. I hope you resonated with this message. If you did and want more tips and help with earning online commissions, then follow this page and comment below. I want more if you want a free guide. So guys, that is it right there. So I haven't posted this yet, but I'm going to show you that I'm going to post it right now. Post this right there. So I just copied and paste. And let's see. Okay. Publish. Done. And so, guys, that's it. That's literally all steps within the affiliate marketing for beginners day 3. So we'll just end it there. But guys, thank you for watching. I really appreciate your help and your support. That's what's motivating me to keep doing videos like this. I'm all for helping you guys. So please subscribe and tip that bell notification if you'd like to see more videos like this and if you'd like to be notified. So thanks again, guys. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.